Hi, my name is Lena Shirkin, and I'm a biomedical engineering junior and one of the founders of Fetal Therapy Technologies. 120,000 babies in the US are born with a birth defect each year. But what makes the statistic even worse for expecting mothers is that 5,000 of those babies actually experienced life-threatening birth defects while still in the womb as fetuses. These include conditions like twin-twin transfusion syndrome or spina bifida. But with groundbreaking research in medicine, a new discipline has emerged known as fetal therapy that has the amazing ability to repair various types of life-threatening birth defects. Even more impressive, this life-saving procedure is minimally invasive and completed through just a single entry port inserted through a pregnant mother's stomach in order to operate on her fetus. Although these groundbreaking procedures are uncommon, the fetal therapy market is currently valued at $230 million and projected to grow annually. I'd like for you all to meet Carrie. She was 25 weeks pregnant when she came to the Hopkins Hospital for a routine ultrasound. But during that appointment, Carrie's doctor discovered that her fetus had developed spina bifida, a serious birth defect that would cause her child to be born completely paralyzed for the rest of its life. But because of the revolutionary team of fetal surgeons at Hopkins, Carrie was able to undergo a fetal therapy procedure where the doctors completely repaired her child's birth defect through ultrasound guidance and a single port inserted through her stomach. Carrie's baby was born healthy and happy and now enjoys a great quality of life. But unfortunately, even with the world's best surgeons and techniques, this doesn't always end so well for other families. The major failure that we see in these fetal therapy procedures is that of membrane rupture, which occurs in about 40% of these cases. That means that 2,000 mothers and their babies are at risk of serious injury or death when undergoing these life-saving procedures because of failures in fetal therapy technologies. Membrane rupture can be thought of as wallpaper peeling off of a wall. When an entry port is inserted into the uterus, it pierces through the uterine wall, which is like the wall of the uterus, and the amniotic membrane, which can be thought of as its wallpaper. This membrane does not have any healing properties, so when the port is removed at the end of surgery, it creates a permanent hole in this wallpaper. Then amniotic fluid leaks out of this hole and causes that membrane to peel away, inducing membrane rupture and preterm labor. By working directly with the Johns Hopkins Center for Fetal Therapy, we've been able to solve the issue of membrane rupture by developing a novel port system. Our solution greatly reduces the rates of membrane rupture due to its balloon anchoring port design, which holds the entry port firmly in place during the procedure, and a novel needle design which pierces layers of tissue more cleanly and effectively than the current clinical standard. Even though fetal therapy is a groundbreaking procedure, no port technologies are made for fetal therapy. Current entry ports are repurposed from cardiovascular or laparoscopy procedures and fail to reduce the risk of membrane rupture. Other technologies, such as biomaterials, are currently in clinical trials for fetal therapy, but none have shown the ability to fit into the current clinical workflow or to reduce membrane rupture. With our new technology, we can save hospitals about $2 million every 100 surgeries, drastically reduce the risk of membrane rupture, and save thousands of lives annually. Our milestones and next steps include creating an MVP prototype of our novel port system, testing the effectiveness of our technology through benchtop models, conducting in-depth customer discovery, and continuing our fundraising efforts through traveling to various business plan competitions. We're fortunate enough to work directly with the leaders of the Johns Hopkins Fetal Therapy Center, such as Dr. Ahmed Bashat, and are mentored by Dr. Elizabeth Logston, who's the director of the Biomedical Engineering Design Team program. Our team consists of 5 undergraduate biomedical engineers, and together we are reimagining the future of fetal medicine to make these surgeries more effective and safe for everyone involved. Thank you so much.